We now spend a significant portion of our working lives interacting with screens, platforms, and constant streams of information. Yet, very few peak performers have ever been taught how to use technology in ways that will actually support how their brain functions. The result is subtle but significant. Fragmented attention, poorer recovery, rising cognitive fatigue, and performance that declines over the course of the day or the week without people fully understanding why. In Amplify Your Digital Wellbeing, I show organizations and high performers how everyday digital behaviors influence focus, increase our stress, impact our sleep, our mental health, our physical health, and our energy, and why these factors now sit at the heart of sustainable peak performance. This isn't about digital detoxes or unrealistic rules about switching technology off. Instead, I translate the neuroscience of attention and overload into practical ways that people can work with digital tools, but without allowing them to erode thinking, capacity, or our well-being. Participants learn simple, science-backed adjustments that will protect their focus, reduce the invisible cognitive strain and depletion, and align digital habits with our human biology so that people can stay effective, engaged, and mentally sharp in environments that are only becoming more and more connected and digitally sophisticated. Because let's remember, technology isn't the problem, it isn't the enemy, but unmanaged digital demand is one of the biggest performance risks facing modern organizations today. Power up your people and help them to invest in their digital well-being.